If setting up Oracle 11g is hard for you, then you are on the right place. Let's make it simple in this video. Step 1. Install JDK. If you have already installed JDK, then you can skip step 1. For this video, I am going to use JDK 9.0.164-bit. If you are using 64-bit Windows, then you can also use this version, but if you are using 32-bit Windows, then use JDK 8U152. Now again we have two choices. We can download Oracle 11g, but also we can download Oracle 12c, which is the latest version as of now. By the way, for this video, we are going to download Oracle 11g because it have 32-bit Windows support, which is missing from Oracle 12c as of now. You have to sign in into Oracle website. If you already have an account on Oracle, then you can log in with that account, but if you don't have Oracle account, then you can create one account, which is damn easy. Before proceeding any further, we should check whether JDK have installed successfully or not. To check, we will give this command. This command will return you the version of your installed Java or JDK. Step 2. Install Oracle 11g. Enter a password which will be used later for admin login. If you also got any error like this, then don't worry, I am here. Username is SYS and password is the admin password, which you entered at the time of installation. Now you have to create a workspace ID where you will do your all SQL work. Now log in using your workspace username and password. Finally, setup complete. You can start your work from here, but if you want to use old style command line like me, then still some work is remaining. Let's do it. Everything is working perfectly. Now you can continue your work.